Wugas. I'm back at y'all again with another video, and this time I decided to come home and eat. So I got Chipotle. I'm gonna say my prayers and I'm gonna get this thing started, okay? Amen. If you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I do another video. Also, if you always come by, thank you for always showing Sugar Mama some love. I really appreciate it. So, I had this left over and I said I was going to come in here and I'm going to show my Sugar Woogers what I had because I didn't eat it all. I never eat all my bowl when I get this. So, y'all see? It's just a bowl. A bowl. That's it. Nothing fancy. I do got chips. I'm going to set some of this on the side just so it can already be there. I have chips for it. You know, chips. Y'all see that? I'm going to give y'all some. And I have sour cream. Sour cream. Gotta have my sour cream. And I have to have my dressing. This is the dressing to go with it. I got to have this dressing. If I don't have the dressing, my bowl would not be right. So I don't put it all over. Just, you know, what I'm going to eat at the moment. See? And I also have tortilla. I like to have this just to tear off a piece like this. And I'll put it in there like that. You see that? That's all. That's all. Just, you know, just a little something. Instead of having a whole full big gigantic burrito, I just do that. Oh, and I got some guac. Guacamole. Yes, I do. I got to have that on the side. So what I do is I put some sour cream on that, like that. And I put some guac on there like that. Y'all want the first bite? Go ahead. First bite. First bite. I got chicken. Mmm. 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 I was hungry. Water. Just water. I get my chips the same way. Put some oil on there like that. Just a little bit. No, just a little bit. Y'all want some chip? I don't know if you like guac, but here you go. Take that bite, y'all. Take that bite. Mmm. Mmm, 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 mmm. That's good. Got my take off another piece. Because I really like this. I do. I always get one of these on the side. I do. I always do. Chicken, mild sauce, black beans. You know, black beans, corn, cheese, lettuce. Mm. 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 That's good, y'all. I don't gotta act like they do it. I say that all the time. When I'm hungry. Mm-hmm. Gotta have that on there. No. No. My guac. See that? Mmm. Mmm. Then close your eyes. Close your eyes. do another chip. See, I have a little bit of everything. That's all I see me too. It's all bad. Yes, I was hungry. See, I like to mix it all up real good. And I'll put it on my plate. I ain't even how you look up, y'all. How y'all doing? How are you guys doing? Just fix it up, you know? Gotta fix it up. See that? And my guac. Oh, yeah. That's so good. How many of y'all like Chipotle? Comment below. Comment below. Like the bowl better? Or the burrito? Yep. Water. Water. My, that water good. That's some good water there. Good water. Y'all want some more? Huh? Want some more? I don't know why. You know what? Maybe because I'll be waiting a long time to eat, you know? But I sure do get full fast. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Go ahead. I'm gonna give y'all some more. That's a nice juicy bite. I know y'all better go ahead and bite that. Huh. Hang on. You know what? With them challenges going on, I see that B-Love put out that challenge, the chicken leg. But y'all come over here and you know me. I would only probably be able to do 2 chicken legs. I would have had all that chicken left over. 2 chicken legs. Look how I be struggling already. You know? I said, I'm going to do it. I think I'm going to do it. And I said, no, I ain't going to set myself up like that. No. But I so enjoy watching all y'all do it though, because y'all funny. Y'all funny. Just like B-Love said, I'm doing this, I got this. And then y'all start dancing and struggling and saying anything towards the end. Yeah, she right. Because I was laughing because it was funny to me. I really enjoy watching all of that. I really, really enjoy watching all that. Had me laughing. And then Lips, he kept just counting them over and over like it was just going to somehow disappear. He kept counting them. That is true. Because when I had to do that quadruple burger twice, I got real delirious. Like real delirious. It was hard. I had to do that twice, back to back. It was hard. And I really want to know how you do it, beloved. How do you do it? I know you're going to hear me say that, but I still want to know how. To eat 16 chicken legs. That's a lot. That is a lot. Fried chicken legs. No, you got it. You did that. And then afterwards you get be so miserable. Mm. Dang, I got a lot left still. I was eating one of them. I was eating. I know I was eating. Wasn't I eating? Huh. Where you saw that chicken like that? Trying to eat it. You always save something for later, I know, but still. Oh, I'm so simple. So simple. I don't need to make myself miserable though, because I gotta work, y'all. I gotta go back to work. I don't have to, but I am. And I don't want to be miserable driving around. Nope. I don't know. Excuse me. I'm finished with that part. Eat a couple bites. Eat a couple bites with it just like this. See? See? Get full and you're still trying to eat, you get delirious. Don't act like y'all don't be getting delirious. Y'all get delirious because I seen y'all get delirious. All y'all. All y'all. Hey, I had some last night, today, and I still ain't put a dent in it, did I? Why'd I do that? Y'all want another bite just like this? Just regular? I'm gonna go over here. No, go right here. Like that? Uh-oh. There y'all go. Look at that juicy bite. I'm sharing today. Sharing. Sharing is caring. No. It is though, but no. That's the chicken. Alright, y'all. Take a swig of my good water. Good water. I do got the coldest water bottle, y'all. It's right over there. No, I didn't feel like filling it up and stuff. No. That's why no. Excuse me. Okay, my sugar woods, I'm about to let you go if you already didn't let me go. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, share, comment, let everybody know what Sugar Mama is doing over here. So Sugar Mama some love, y'all. Also, y'all know I'm not gonna leave y'all without giving y'all a big hug, okay? For you and for me. I see y'all on my next video.